What's up guys, welcome to Tommy Unboxing Review. Today I'm going to show you the ROC Hobby's new 18th crawler, the Katana. Now let's unbox it. Wow, look at it. ROC Hobbies. Now let's look at this truck. The prototype of it is Toyota's LC80. It's a classical no. Mine is the red. Wow. Oh. This is the manual. And the transmitter. The tools, some tools. It's oh, the USB charger. Now let's see the car. Whoa. So beautiful, right? This is not a soft shell. I think it's a hard shell. You can see it, hard shell, and here you can see there is the seat. The seat in it. It has some interior. But mine, this is detached. The small 050 brushed motors. Now you can see this car, the interior, the steering wheels, and the seats, and the mirrors. Oh, the mirrors can't flex. By the way, these doors can't open. Guess where is the ESCs and the transmit and the receiver? Yes, it is in the hood. Here you can see the gap is so small that I can't open it with my nails. Oh, it opened. You see the servo, ESC, and the batteries. 2S 600 milliampere hours. Now let's test it. Open the transmitter. And then open it. Fastest speed. Slowest speed. Oh, you can see the left and right LED. I guess maybe it has a channel 3. Wow. The front and rear light turns on. Channel 3. On, off, on, off. By the way, there aren't any LED lights in it, so this is just wow, so beautiful. This lights. This is a hard body, so it has a lot of details. The back tiers and the roof luggage shelves and the ladders. And I guess the motors and the gearbox maybe used is the same as 6x6, though these rolls are nanos or plastics, you can see. And the suspensions only use the springs here. There's no shock oils in it. So here you can see it's bounce. And this is a beautiful truck with the Land Cruiser LC80. So beautiful. Hard body. A lot of details. I love it. Thanks for watching. Please make comments down below and I will see you next time. Bye.